Simplify x cubed plus 5x squared over x squared minus 25, giving your answer as a single fraction. So we have to simplify this fraction of expressions. So we simplify fractions by dividing the top in the number by a common factor. So we need to factorize the top and the bottom first to see what factors it has. So let's factorize x cubed plus 5x squared first. So to factorize that, we can take out the common factors. So if I write that out in terms of its factors, the common factor between these two terms would be x and another x. So I can take out two x's, so that's going to be x squared. And inside the bracket will be what is left behind. So that's x squared and x plus 5. And then to factorize x squared minus 25, it's a quadratic, but then there's no x to the power of 1 term. But there are also no common factors as well, so we can't take out the common factors to factorize this. But both numbers can be squared, as in it's x squared minus 5 squared. So we can use the rule a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b to factorize this. So this will turn into x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. So if we rewrite the fraction in terms of its factorized format, we have x squared multiplied by x plus 5 over x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. And you can see that there's a common factor between the top and the bottom of the fraction. The top and the bottom of the fraction both have x plus 5 in them as a factor. So we can cancel this out, leaving behind x squared on top and x minus 5 at the bottom. So x squared over x minus 5 is the simplified version of x cubed plus 5x squared over x squared minus 25. We can also check your answer to this because when you simplify fractions, the value of it should still be the same no matter how you write it because it's the same thing. So we can check by letting x be a random number. So let x equals 2, for example. So these two expressions must be equivalent to each other. That means that if I substitute 2 into either one of them, it should give the same value. And this is what we're going to use to check. So if I substitute 2 into x cubed plus 5x squared over x squared minus 25, that will give minus 4 over 3. And if I substitute x equals 2 into x squared over x minus 5, that will give minus 4 over 3 as well. So they give the same thing. Therefore, those two expressions are equivalent to each other. And that is the simplified format of that fraction.